Now, Fraziers Whip will be looking to end the first round of the Jamaica Women's Premier League on a perfect note, while the unbeaten pair of Arnett Gardens and Cavalier women hope to return to winning ways.
Fraziers Whip is one of 3 unbeaten teams in the Jamaica Women's Premier League, but the only perfect win after 4 rounds. They will put that record to the test when they face the winless Roma Bay at Jarrett Park on Saturday. After scoring just 10 goals from 3 outings, the champions last week pumped 11 against Mile Gully, and so to continue in that vein against the bottom-placed Roma Bay in their Zone B encounter set to start at 3:30 p.m. They will be led by leading striker Christina Salmon, who has 7 goals so far and scored in every game. She will be assisted by the veteran and captain Nevergale Abel with 5. In the other Zone B matches, second place Los Perfectos with their captain and leading striker, the veteran Venicia Reid, will play host to Springers United at Brooks Park, also at 3:30 p.m. While third place Federal United will tackle fifth place Malgony in a 1 p.m. encounter in the first match of a doubleheader at the Alpha Boys Institute. Over in Zone A, second place and unbeaten Cavalier will go up against Real Mona in the feature game of the doubleheader at the Alpha Institute at 3:30. Leaders Arnett Gardens, who were held to a draw last week by Cavalier, are hoping to return to winning ways when they travel to the Express Sports Complex in St. Thomas to face Proven Girls. At Cardiff, Portland, UA will play Wi-Fi United in the day's other match, with both games starting at 3:30 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.